Hello, here's how to cook Ofe Achara with Mgbam or Akpuruakpu Egusi, that's molded Egusi soup. Here are the ingredients you will need. Achara is the tender shoot of elephant grass. I'll be using only stockfish and dry fish to cook this soup. No meat, but you can add meat or even use only meat if you wish. First, soak the fish with cool or lukewarm water and set aside to soften. Grind the egusi seeds and the osu with a dry mill. Grind the crayfish with the ogbaloti. Peel the achara by removing the outside husk till you get to the tender part. Break up the tender shoot like this. Achara does not really have an alternative, but if you need something as soft and tender as achara, you can use asparagus. But then it will no longer be Ofe Achara, it will be Egusi Soup. Rinse and set aside. When the fish is soft, clean thoroughly and debone. Pour most of the egusi into a bowl. It's important that you season the egusi very well so that the mgbam will not taste bland when you bite into it. Add the stock bit by bit and mix till you get a thick dough like this. Mold into small flat discs. This is the akpuruakpu, the Mgbam. Throw them into boiling water and cook for about 10 minutes. Everything ready, let's start cooking. Put the pot of stockfish back on the stove. Boil for a few minutes and take out the fish. Add the remaining egusi and continue cooking on medium heat. Stir it often so it does not burn. Once you see some clear oil at the surface, that should take 15 to 20 minutes. Add palm oil and cook for about 5 minutes. Then add the rest of the ingredients. The boiled Akpuruakpu Egusi, achara, okazi, and the fish we took out earlier. Add salt to your taste, leave to simmer, and it's done. Delicious! Those lumps of akpuruakpu and achara make this one of the most traditional Nigerian soups. Serve with any Nigerian fufu meal, especially akpu, cassava fufu. If you requested and have been waiting for this video for the longest time, I hope you are happy to finally see it. Bye-bye!